Hello everyone, welcome to Omewadi Food Recipe Store. Today's recipe is Besan Ladoo, which is the most famous mithai of the Indian cuisine. So let's get started making this recipe, and before we start, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. This recipe is just made with 5 ingredients in your pantry, so let's get cooking. First thing, in a pan I'm going to add in half a cup of ghee. To this I am going to add in 1 cup of gram flour, besan, and on low heat we are going to roast this, making sure we keep on stirring this continuously. It's been 10 minutes for roasting this gram flour, and you can see it's slightly changing the color. We'll still further roast this for 10-15 minutes till you start getting a nutty aroma, making sure you're constantly stirring this. So after patiently roasting this for around 25 minutes, the aroma is just so amazing. I started getting a nutty aroma, and it has slightly changed the color. At this stage now, we'll turn off the heat and we'll get this pan on the side, and we'll still keep on stirring this till it cools down. After stirring this continuously, this has cooled down, and you can see how it looks. Now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and now we'll add in half a cup of bura, or you can also add in powdered sugar, and we'll give this a mix. We'll keep on mixing this till the bura is really well incorporated. After mixing this really well, now we'll add in some dry fruits, almonds and pista. We'll give this a mix again. After really mixing this well, now it's time to mold this into the ladoos. So we'll take a generous enough of a portion, and we'll just mold this into a round size shaped ball, into a ladoo. So look at this ladoo is just ready. You can top this with 1 pistachio, and again just shape it round. And this besan ladoo is just ready. So in this similar manner, we'll make rest all of the ladoos. So guys, enjoy making this ladoos for any occasions or events, and do like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll be back with a new recipe.